So this amazing explainer video I created with AI. Please have a look.
You're a day going about your business when no warning, no reason, just your own body betraying you. So, what exactly is a hiccup? And why does it happen to all of us? Meet the star of the show, your diaphragm. It's a dome shaped muscle sitting just beneath your lungs, and it's the engine of your breathing. A hiccup happens when that rhythm glitches. Something makes the diaphragm suddenly contract, a sharp, involuntary jerk. Behind it all is the phrenic nerve, the long wire running from your brain down to your diaphragm. When it gets irritated or overexcited, it fires off these false signals. Scientists think hiccups might be a leftover from millions of years ago, an echo of when our distant ancestors breathed through gills. So, what sets it off? A fizzy drink that stretches your stomach, eating too fast and swallowing air, even laughing hard, or a sudden change in temperature or emotion. And the cures? Holding your breath, sipping water, getting startled. Most of them just reset that nervous rhythm. And honestly, a hiccup is harmless. A tiny, annoying, ancient glitch. Proof that even now, your body remembers where it came from.
Alright, so as you can see, this video looks really amazing. This is explainer video which I created using Gemini Omni Flash and also took a help of Claude to write down the prompt. So this is motion graphic video with the help of Gemini Omni, which have consistent character throughout. Animations are amazing. Overall 2D look and feel is looking really good. And now I'm going to tell you how you can create this kind of a video. So let's get started. So before you start within a Claude, as you can see, there are a few reference images which I already collected, and I want Gemini Omni to follow this kind of a visual style. So first of all, I uploaded those images and ask Claude to lock this video style. Okay. And in this style, I wanted to create a video using Gemini Omni Flash that explain why hiccups occur. It will be the explainer video. Give me a detailed step-by-step prompt and that will create a video in a visual style. So this is a complete prompt and some style guide images which I uploaded here. And now here you can see the Claude start creating a prompt for overall video. So first Claude created a visual style log guide over here, which have all the details of the images which I uploaded as a reference. This visual style block prompt I generally use to log the overall style in a further prompts. So as a first step, what it did, it created a prompt for a character. So here I will paste the overall style prompt and then below that there will be a character prompt. So let's do it. So I will copy a prompt and here now I am inside Google Flow where I am going to create a character first. So I'm going to paste a prompt over here. Now what I will do, I will copy the character prompt and paste it over here. Let me just remove this blob thing and also visual style lock. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm going to select a model Nano Banana Pro inside this and then hit generate. Now let's see what it will generate. Alright, so as you can see, the character over here is ready with a character design sheets and some other details, which is looking really good. I also like background. So now as a next step, what I'm going to do is I will create an asset B, which is anatomy overlay device. Okay. So what for that, I already have a prompt that I'm going to paste here. And as usual, the style guide, which I'm going to add here only. So inside the style guide, I will just update the prompt a little bit and let's see what it will create. Okay, so this time it created a good image, but character is different. Character is changed. Okay. So what I will do is I will just download this and ask Claude again. I will upload that image over here and also that I am creating an image for acid be the anatomy only, but as you can see, this, as you can see, first image character is getting changed. So let's see what Claude will do here. So here you can see Claude identified the character, and now it is telling me to update the overall prompt. Let me go back to the flow. I will update this prompt and the reference image of the attached character. So I'm going to add this image of the character, and I'm going to change my style block. Okay. So here, let me copy the style block and I will paste it here. Now let's create the next scene. So my character is consistent now, and it is also showing the diaphragm image, which is as expected. Now, in this way, I will create the rest of the images as well. So I'm going to copy this, go in a flow. So reference image, all pose. So this is this one, which I attach, and even a style guide. So visual style lock. This block I have pasted here, and let's see what it will create. Okay, so hick image it created, and as you can see, this image is looking really good, but I don't want this additional detail inside it, right? So because these additional details are already included inside my image, it is taking all these details in this scene image as well. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to create a clean image of this as well. Take this image, and what I will type a prompt here is remove all the additional details around the character. So I got this image cleaner, and now I can use it as a reference as well. So as you can see, I have video prompts ready inside a Claude, and for that I'm going to use any images. So here mid diaphragm. Okay, this scene I'm going to create, and I already have a diaphragm image ready over here. Okay, so I'm going to paste that, then style block again, which I, as I mentioned, that I need to paste that style block every time here, and then reference of asset B. So this I'm going to attach an image as an reference. Add prompt. Then I will change a model to the video, and this time I'm going to select video model, and this time I'm going to select 4 seconds with model Omni Flash, and now see how it will create a video. All right, so my video is here. Let's.
This is your diaphragm. It controls your breathing.
All right, so it created a video. It is also creating a proper voiceover as well for this. Okay. So similarly, I'm going to create a videos for each and every scene which is mentioned here, and attach all of these scenes, and this is how my final output will look like. You're a day going about your business when no warning, no reason, just your own body betraying you. So what exactly is a hiccup? And why does it happen to all of us? Meet the star of the show, your diaphragm.
It's a dome-shaped muscle sitting just beneath your lungs, and it's the engine of your breathing. A hiccup happens when that rhythm glitches. Something makes the diaphragm suddenly contract. A sharp, involuntary jerk. Behind it all is the phrenic nerve, the long wire running from your brain down to your diaphragm. When it gets irritated or overexcited, it fires off these false signals. Scientists think hiccups might be a leftover from millions of years ago, an echo of when our distant ancestors breathed through gills. So, what sets it off? A fizzy drink that stretches your stomach, eating too fast and swallowing air, even laughing hard, or a sudden change in temperature or emotion. And the cures? Holding your breath, sipping water, getting startled. Most of them just reset that nervous rhythm. And honestly, a hiccup is harmless. A tiny, annoying, ancient glitch. Proof that even now your body remembers where it came from.
So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to comment if you wanted to know more about this process. So till the time, see you in the next video. Thank you.